So if you want to deploy your website on Vercel for free without paying anything and still get a live URL instantly, don't worry. Yeah, I'll guide you step by step in a simple way. First thing first, go to the Vercel website and create a free account. You can sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or email, and it only takes a few seconds. Next, make sure your website code is uploaded to GitHub because Vercel connects directly with it. If your project is not on GitHub yet, just create a new repository and upload your files there. After that, go back to Vercel and click on Add New Project, then import your GitHub repository. Vercel will automatically detect your project settings in most cases, so you don't have to configure much manually. You'll see options like build command and output folder, but yeah, you can usually leave them as default. Now click on Deploy, and Vercel will start building and hosting your website on their free plan. It usually takes a few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, you'll get a live URL, and your website will be instantly available online. One of the best parts is automatic deployment, which means whenever you push updates to your GitHub repository, Vercel will redeploy your site automatically without any extra work. And yeah, all of this works on the free plan, so you don't need to pay anything to get started. So if you want to